Let's clear something up first. You can't rename the A, B, C, D column letters at the top of Google Sheets. Those are fixed. But what you can control, and what really matters, is your header row. In most spreadsheets, the first row becomes your column titles. So if you want to rename your columns, what you're actually doing is editing the header cells. Just double-click the first row and type what you want. For example, employee name, department, start date, salary. You can type directly over what's there or paste in text from somewhere else. Now here's something important. If you're working with hundreds, or thousands, of rows, your header row will scroll away as you move down the sheet. That's not helpful. To fix that, freeze it. Hover right above the row number 1 until you see the small grey bar. Click and drag it down one row, or go to View, Freeze, one row. Now your headers stay visible no matter how far you scroll. That's a small change that makes a huge difference in usability. Another pro tip. Format your header row so it stands out. Add a background color. Bold the text. Change the font color. Visually separating headers from data makes your sheet easier to read and more professional. And remember, you're not limited to just one row at the top. You can insert additional rows above your headers if you want space for summary totals, charts, KPIs, notes, analysis. Just be careful not to crowd your frozen area too much, or you'll lose visible workspace. Clean headers. Frozen top row. Clear formatting. That's how you structure a spreadsheet properly. If you want to build better systems in Google Sheets, for work, business, or life, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll help you level up your spreadsheets.